How to turn down AirPods Pro volume. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn down AirPods Pro volume. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration or Sounds, depending on your device. Here, you will find a volume slider. Move the slider left to decrease the volume to your desired level. You can also use the volume control directly from the device's volume buttons while wearing the AirPods Pro, or use the volume controls on your device's screen for easier adjustment. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.